Look what just arrived, people. Our bundle of joy from Bundle Living. As you can see, it comes in 3 different boxes, which means it's compact, it's portable, and this is what I'm about to do. This is a sofa or a couch if you want, and I'm going to put it together and assemble it in a different house. It's just a test for us to see if we can put it in a car, transport it to a different location, and build it, and probably disassemble it if I'm lucky enough, and they don't keep it. We'll see what's going to happen then. But I'm going to put it in the car, take it to a different location, assemble it, and show you this beautiful bundle couch and the result. This is part of testing and reviewing. So stick around, don't go anywhere, we're about to go. Look at that, guys. They all fit in this one car. Now we're about to go and change locations and build it together. So let's get going. We made it. I know it's not an outdoor piece of furniture, but hey, you can't beat this beautiful view. So I'm gonna build it outside. And again, this is the bundle couch from Bundle Living. It should be an easy peasy assembly, so we're about to find out together. All right, let's do this. So this is the base, and this is the heaviest one, but seriously, it wasn't that heavy. But it's better to get someone else's help just to carry them up. We found the screws and other parts that we need so we can build this couch and put it together. So keep your eyes peeled. Look deep inside the big box that says base on it. Bags are really beautiful. They have the modern touch. I have to admit, I did not read the instructions. I just started screwing pegs and parts on, which is something you should not do. So follow the rules. Don't be like me. You will see throughout the movie how I corrected this one move that makes a lot of difference. And now I'm able to sit in the middle of it. I was afraid it's going to fold up on me. Anyway, bottom line, I can do this again in 10 minutes now that I know how to build it. And it's actually it's really comfortable. I love how the cushions are really good enough for you to just sit back and even lay down on it like that. And I'm afraid I'm gonna fall asleep. Oh, this is wonderful. We're so lucky to have this beautiful view to share with you guys. And like I said at the beginning of the movie, we put all these boxes in a car to build this couch here in one of our friends' homes. And now I'm worried about how am I gonna take this couch back with me, because I think they might keep it. So anyway, thanks for watching. That was the bundle couch from Bundle Living. Stick around because there will be more easy assembly couches going forward. I promise I will use the manual. Alright guys, so I'm back here to build the couch again. This morning I just wanted to show you how easy it is to transport the couch. So I put all the boxes or more like the boxes put themselves in the car. And it was easy to take it to a friend's house, and I just want to show you how easy it is also to build it. Now, it's even easier the second time around. There are some times when I wasn't paying attention or reading. So I'm going to give you the step-by-step, the correct ones on how to build the bundle from Bundle Living, the bundle couch or sofa. Alright, it's really important that you find the right parts, and they are in the box somewhere. You will find them. You have 4 bolts to hold the arms on each side. You have 2 of these. They will be holding the pegs or the legs that are hidden under the couch in the middle. So the center of the couch is really important. And then I have 4 pegs or the legs of the couch. Now, first of all, before we even start, you need to position it when you take it out of the box and unfold it. It's folded like this, really cool, huh? You need to make sure that you are positioning this couch the right way, which is on its front rail edge, just like that. Okay, this is step 1. I'm gonna start working. I'm gonna unfold it, which is step 1, and jump to step 2. So I'm gonna work step by step. Something's missing, you are right, because there's 2 legs hiding here in the middle, in the center of the couch. They're like the kick stand legs, just like on the bike. So they're sitting here, and we are going to continue with this important step because you do not want to miss these 2 legs. They're very important to this couch. They're the support in the middle. So let's keep on building this couch. Alright, so make sure that your couch is flat now. Remember how we unfolded the couch but not all the way to the end? Now it needs to be just like that, aligned. Perfectly aligned. And find the legs. Okay, so the reason why there's these red dots is just like a mark to tell you or signal to show you how or where this needs to go. So this goes on this end, and the second one will go on the other end. So this is the part when I am going to pull the back. This is the backrest or the back of the couch, and we are supposed to hear a click. Okay. Yay! Tip of the day: when you make connection with the bolts, just make sure you're just making the connection to make sure you have found the right holes where they sit together, but do not tighten them up until the very end. That's it. instructions. Oh my gosh. Guess what? Not because I was just building it and putting it together and I'm tired, but it's so comfortable. So this is what you want at the end of the day. Now, it's really important also that you realize this is an alternative couch. This is like what you need if, let's say, I have a cabin up the mountains and I want to take my own personal couch with me. I'm going to take it with me. Your first apartment, your dorm room, your small house, your extra guest that you never invited. This is what you want. An alternative couch called the bundled sofa from Bundle Living. Thank you for watching this video. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, anything at all. These couches, or this one in particular, is around $1,000, but let me know if you're interested in buying it, because we will find you a wonderful deal just for you. Thanks for watching.